A cooking class for a couple of bucks seems unlikely, but KSL's Lori Prichard found one community classroom where a small fee gets you good eats, good friends, good skills, and good health.
I've lost about 10 or 15 pounds.
Doctors diagnosed Jerry Myers with diabetes about 7 years ago.
Have a lot more to go.
But Jerry says this weekly hands-on dining with diabetes class
Doesn't that look yummy already?
that he attends with his wife has put him on the right path.
I consider myself disciplined in a lot of other areas, but with food control and diabetes and that, it has really given me, the discipline that I didn't have.
It's been really helpful to hear the whole program and how it can affect your body and how important it is for you to make sure that you're eating the way you should.
But of course, we wouldn't want to cook the whole box, right?
The classes also include group discussions and introduction to new diabetes-friendly foods.
I had my quinoa. I never eat quinoa, and I learning how to make quinoa.
Mirabel Ramirez just moved here from Miami. She credits these classes for helping get her diabetes under control. That's because it's a community atmosphere where everyone feels free to share.
I think it takes a lot of the fear away. In fact, I know it does, because they can speak out and say, this is really a hard thing to do. I don't know how to do it. Anybody else have some ideas?
The ultimate goal, learning strategies to lessen the health risks of diabetes. Lori Prichard, KSL 5 News.
This class was a collaboration between the Wasatch County Health Department, Utah State University, and Intermountain's Heber Valley Hospital. To find diabetes health tips and other support groups, go to intermountainhealthcare.org/diabetes.